Why haven't I reviewed this clipper yet? I don't know if you're asking. Because I wasn't originally going to buy this clipper. I thought it was a little bit too expensive and I thought it might have been gimmicky. Well, let me tell you how I ended up with this clipper. Now I do know that it has a non-replaceable cord in the dock, which is a bummer. There's no way to recharge each battery, so you have to take the dock. But I noticed that throughout the day, most of my clippers were running out of battery. And I'm not a person that has my clippers on stands because that's how you run out your battery. Now let me explain. If you're overcharging batteries and you're keeping your batteries completely depleted, that is bad for the actual battery cells. They don't like it. Makes them die earlier. If they're always charged, whether your cell phone, your earbuds, anything with a battery. And this is, you can look it up. This is not just me saying something. So I don't usually tend to have all my stuff plugged in at one time. But when you're working and cutting hair, you kind of want to have all your stuff plugged in at one time because you generally have 2 to 4 hours for battery life nowadays on clippers. With that being said, the price dropped. At least I got it for $300. I think they're on Amazon for $329 or $319 or something like that. And I believe when they first came out, they were $399. Which at that point, I was like, well, I could buy 2 Boost FX and I'll be about the same price. With the price drop, it made it a little bit more compelling. And I do like that magnetic so you can get inside there and clean up all the stuff. That's a great idea. I'm pretty sure the Boost FX 2.0 will have that. These are the clippers side by side. They look the same power, same everything. I'll let you hear how they sound a little bit later. But back to the story. I have one charging cord on my station for clippers. I have my masters, they're charging on the dock. Everything else is BABYLISS, including the trimmers. I have one cord, and I like it that way because it's simple. So if you're the type of person that goes through a lot of hair, 10 plus cuts a day, these might be good for you. If you're the type of person to travel, they might be better. You got to figure that out for yourself. You got to take the dock. Dock is not very convenient. They should sell a travel dock where it's just a smaller dock that charges the batteries. I really believe each battery should have a plug in them built in so you could charge them with the cord. Hopefully they do that on newer batteries or they do that with a second variation of the product. But overall, for what it is, and because it's been out for a little bit of time, the price has dropped. I think it's a good clipper for the $300 mark. But you guys let me tell you how you, if you guys want a haircut tutorial, like, subscribe, and I'll drop one for you.